Students, listen carefully. Now we are going to find the perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. Okay. Look at this. This is rectangle, right? How to find this is rectangle? I will explain. So now we mark the corners A, B, C, D. You can give any other names, P, Q, R, S, whatever names you want, you can give. So now I give A, B, C, D. Okay, this is the corner names. Four centimeter, and this side 8 centimeter, and this side 4 centimeter, and this side 8 centimeter. Okay, listen, look at this. This side 4 centimeter and this side 4 centimeter, this side 8 centimeter and also this side 8 centimeter. Look at this. So this is the rectangle. Okay, so this is length and this is breadth. Because rectangle opposite sides are equal, so this is the opposite sides. AD and BC is the opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. This is the opposite side, AB and DC. This is the opposite side because 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So this is a perfect rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. This part is length and this is breadth. Okay. Let's write length. Length short form is L and breadth. Breadth short form is P. Okay, tell me what is the length? Length of rectangle 4 centimeter. And what is the breadth of rectangle? 8 centimeter. Got it? So what are the sides are equal? AD equal to BC because opposite sides are equal, right? Then AB equal to DC, right? So this is opposite sides are equal. So this is rectangle. Right, now we are going to find the perimeter of rectangle in two ways. One is common method and another one is formula method. Okay, let's start. First, common method. Tell me, AB. You all know how to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Right. Tell me, what is the side of AB? 8 centimeter plus BC 4 centimeter. Then CD 8 centimeter plus DA 4 centimeter. Right. Let's add 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 4 24. Very good. So 24 centimeter. Got it? So this is the answer. 24 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle. Now we are going to using the formula method. Okay, what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2L plus B. That means 2 into L plus b. Okay, so this is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Okay, let's check. 2 into L. What is the length? 4 centimeter plus B. B means breadth. 8 centimeter. Okay, first you should do it in the bracket. So 4 plus 8. 2 into 4 plus 8. 12 centimeter. Now we are going to multiple. 12 twos are 1 twos are 2, right? So 24 centimeter. Look at this, we get same answer here, 24 centimeter and 24 centimeter. So this is the way to find the perimeter of rectangle in common method and formula method. If they are asking the formula method only, you should do this method only. Okay, so now we are going to find the area of rectangle. How to find the area of rectangle? Students, this is sides. You all know this is sides, right? So what is area? Area means this part. This part is area. This part is area. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Formula is L into B. So this is the formula of area of rectangle. Okay. Length 4 centimeter into breadth 8 centimeter. So 4 8s are 32 centimeter square. Got it? This is the way to find the area of rectangle. So 32 centimeter squared is the area of rectangle. So students, now you are clear. This is rectangle because opposite sides are equal. This part is length and this part is breadth. Got it? This is a common method to find the perimeter of rectangle. This is the formula method to find the perimeter of rectangle. 2L plus B means 2 into L plus B. And this is area of rectangle formula L into B. Okay. So L is 4 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So 4 8s are 32 centimeter square. Now you are clear? So finally it's a practice session. I give rectangle and square here. So students, you can find the perimeter of rectangle using two methods, common method and formula method. And also find the area of rectangle. And here square. So you find the perimeter of square in both method, common method and formula method also. And also find the area of square. Okay, using your notebook. Thank you students.